Okay, after combine a tune, count, say, and locus or reverse, and the next funny things I want to show you is espeak. So let's install espeak by sudo command sudo apt get install espeak. Okay, espeak like this, and then press enter, and it will install it for you. My terminal have already installed espeak, so I just type espeak and hello world, and then press enter. We can hear a voice, but it is not clear, and it includes noise. I think espeak is not good for generate text to speak. So let's try another word that's longer. Espeak. Welcome to the world. Okay, the world. Hope you like this video. Okay, press enter. Okay. It speaks like a robot and makes some noise. So let's jump to the seventh activity. The seventh activity I want to show you is PV or Pi viewer. So let's install it by sudo command sudo apt get install PV. Okay. After installing PV, we use PV with yes command. So let's type yes. For who don't know what a yes command is used for, that is for endless. It will appear a text endless text until you click the yes command. So let's type yes and edit for the text is low. Hello, and 3 dots. Okay, so type PV minus L10. It will slowly print out hello line by line. I don't know what is this used for, but I just found this. And then just try it. It's a funny command, right? Okay, let's stop it by press Ctrl C. Okay. After PV, the next thing I want to show you is curl command, and we can use curl command to see the stack weather from our terminal. Okay, then type curl wttr.in for the website, and then press enter. Okay, it's a text we can ASCII and weather report not found. You can try to write curl commands on wttr.in, and then for the location, like for the locations. Okay, we see from morning this is sunny, and afternoon is sunny too, it's meaning sunny too. And this is 18th Friday, October. And what about this? Sunny, and at the 19th, it's cloudy at the afternoon, and we can see there no rain. Okay, so because I installed WSL, so it can result at the current locations. Okay, comes to the next activity in traceroute. Okay, traceroute like this. And you need to install traceroute by sudo command apt. Okay, let's type traceroute, but we don't type just only traceroute, and we type traceroute is a tracer to yes you mean to check to follow, I mean is trace the package from the browser you want to trace, like this. We type google.com, then press enter, and we can see the first number is half, and the next a IP address. You can see here IP address, and these are time 1, time 2, and time 3. Okay. This is all the trace package. Just trace the route from outgoogle.com, because I'm open Google Chrome now. So let's try tracer route for Firefox, because I also open Firefox now. Okay. We can see the hop number is just 12, but in google.com the hop number come to 16. Okay. Okay. Come to the next activity is this is final activity. So I will introduce something about this. So this activity is called xkcdpass, and so we need to install xkcdpass by sudo command apt get install xkcdpass like this, and but I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it. So about the words xkcds, it is xkcds pass, and pass, we all know the pass for password, but we don't know what xkcds stands for. It's that actually it doesn't stand for anything. It just was inspired by a xkcd's webcomic. So if you want to know more about xkcd, just search Google and type xkcd webcomic, and you can see. So let's start to the first command with xkcdpass, and it will yes, related to the pass, it will auto generate the password for you with the max length of words is 6, and when you type xkcdpass and then press enter like this, it will automatically generate password for you, includes 6 words like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what about if you don't like, if the words is to is if the words is to if the length was yes too big to remember, so let's choose an option. So let's type xkcd pass. We cannot minus A for the help, like this. You say for the user of xkcd password, and we can specify the number of words with minus n. So let's try xkcdpass minus n for the number words, and then we choose the number words we want to create. That we choose two. Okay, we can see the two words like trivial scavenger. What about three words? xkcd minus n 3. Okay, xkcdpass minus n 3. Okay, we can see phobia, revenue, confiding. So let's try to use this minus d. This d for delimiter. If we want to add something like custom delimiter between the words, you should use delimiter or minus d for short. So let's type xkcd pass minus d, and which is the signature or symbol to add between the words. Like in my case, I will use underline like this. Okay, we can see the underline will be at this between the words like this. Stella underlines apt crave antivirus underline flashcard underline mobile. And what about we try to use number words with delimiter? So let's try xkcd pass minus n for number words, and then type 3, and then for the delimiter, let's try to use a hyphen instead of underline, and then see you can see unfixable hyphen apostle hyphen breath friend, or like this. Okay, what about try to use min length and max length? Let's try xkcdpass, and min we are equal for 5, and for the max length I will choose 6, because 6 is the max length of xkcdpass. Then okay, press enter. You can see the words become from 5 to 6, and then what about xkcdpass? And I will choose the means will be 2, and the max is actually 6. Okay, so and the mean letter, the mean words in this include lion in this. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try another one. We will try xkcdpass, and then for the A we use for acrostic we want type ABC. Okay, we can see ABC's can see there are 3 words. So the letter A is the first letter of aware, the letter B is the first letter of banana, and the C is the first letter of cupbearer. So let's try another acrostic CDE. Okay. Okay. Type xkcd, not xkcs. Okay. So we can see here the C is for carnival, and D is for display, and E for easily. It's fun. What about for the case? Let's try xkcd. Okay, xkcd pass. And for the acrostic, what about capital letter like T, C, E? Okay, we can create with the capital letter. So let's try another one. xkcdpass acrostic W, Q, and P. Okay, the password will be wrong quantum pasta. Okay, and this video is end now. So see you in the next time. If you like my channel, no, if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video about Linux on Ubuntu. So see you in the next time.